What you're looking at is a Dreametech T10 cordless stick vacuum. This product was sent to me by Dreametech for evaluation. So we have done some medium pile carpet tests in a previous video, but now we need to do what this machine probably has as its greatest strength, that is bare floor tests. So we have, I guess, in order of largest to smallest, this is dog food, and then we have some Quaker oats, rice, red sand, and baking soda. And there's 3 lines of these things because this T10 has 3 speeds. So we're going to start off on your right on low speed, and then do medium, and then do high speed, and see if there's any type of a difference. Okay, low speed. Right, we will take a closer look at that after I finish the other 2. You can see what it left behind. Now here's medium speed. Ooh. Looks like it finally got some of the dog food. And now here's high speed. Maybe we'll get more dog food. Well, let's take a closer look at the results. So on low speed, didn't really do very well with the dog food. And you can see how it kicked around a lot of the oats. So here's the medium speed. I think it got a little bit of the dog food. Kicked around some of the rice. There's rice there and some oats. Low speed kicked around a little rice too, but it seemed to be a little less for some reason. And on high speed, it got a lot of the dog food. So here's what's left of the dog food. See the difference? And I guess we see a few grains of rice here, and a couple of oats, and that's really about it. I think it ended up kicking 1 grain of rice all the way back there. So there's the overview of low, medium, and high. How about we take a look at the underside of this brush roll? So as you can see, there's not really any like large cutouts or notch outs, so the dog food doesn't really have any place to go. This sits low enough to the hard floor where it's not really going to be able to pick up really tall, large debris. And as I mentioned in an earlier video, these little front wheels were quite squeaky. I used some silicone grease, no more squeak, and these larger rubber rear wheels were somewhat difficult to turn. They still don't turn as freely as I think they should, but now they turn a lot better, frankly. And again, I just used a bunch of silicone grease, the little tube, and shot some in there and spun it around, and it made really quite a difference. Well, I still need to clean up this larger debris, so let's try a couple other attachments. So I got this guy and this guy. I'm going to try this one. And this slides back and forth. You could do this, I suppose. You could also do the brush part sticking out proud of this other hard plastic piece. I think I'll try the brush. And I'm going to run it on high. Struggles a bit. Yeah, it struggles a bit. Let me put it a little closer to the dirt. That's better. Okay, now I want to do something with my wife's super long hair. But I'm not going to pick it up in a giant clump because I don't think that's very realistic. How about we spread it out a bit, and then we're going to see how well that head deals with hair that's, well, 2 foot long. So that you can actually believe that this hair has gotten distributed on my bare floor, how about you actually watch me go and distribute it on my bare floor? Because otherwise, I don't think you'd really be able to see it. Okie dokie. We're going to run it on high, and this is completely clean, no hair wrap at the moment. Okay, I think that did it. So let's take a closer look at what happened. This in between, and I'm going to take this out right here. Yeah, so there's a nice little pile there. And let me get you in closer. So on the right, this is what made it into the bin. And on the left, you can see, well, just how much work you're going to have to go through to get the hair off of here. Now, again, I understand this hair, my wife's hair, is unusually long. And this was a total, probably somewhat unfair torture test. You know, it does pull off fairly easy, though. This isn't bad. And some feature that I haven't shown you yet is how to take this brush roll off. So what you do is unlock it right here, right? And then it's spring loaded, and you can pull it right out. And that's nice to be able to get all the hair off of here. And no, this is not a normal amount of hair that my wife would, say, shed in one vacuuming session, but this might be 2 weeks of hair eventually. So it does wrap around this brush roll, but it's pretty easy to remove. Yeah, that's one of the easiest brush rolls that I've used to remove hair from. So get that out of the way, then I can easily put it back in. That lined up, and there we go. Clicks right back in, and you're ready to go. No hair. All right. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.